Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have a package. So I just did a video that maybe you guys saw, maybe you haven't seen because I'm posting them on different days. But I am going to show you my goodies. That sounds funny. I'm going to show you the goodies that I ordered from Etsy. You guys don't want to see my goodies. Wow. That was kind of goofy. This way, as opposed to having the camera projecting downward, because I've been working and I have lots of stuff on my desk. So, oh, this is from, golly, I can't believe it came so fast. This is from Pelhauz Planner, and I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I will definitely try to remember to link the link down below, and if I forget, then please remind me. But I am so excited. Look how cute this packaging is. I ordered lots of stuff because some of it's going to be, I'm going to gift some of it. So this is cute, a little mermaidy looking bow. I'm going to give that to Katie. I think she'll like that. She likes mermaids. And so do I, but mermaids always make me think of her. This is cute even. It's just a piece of cardstock with their name on it. But you know what? This could be a bookmark or whatever you want it to be. And then I got this freebie sheet. And it looks like I got this freebie sheet. And this one, even unicorns need coffee. Oh my goodness, that is perfect. I love it. So cute. Okay, so some of this is for mature audiences, so I'm going to give you the warning now. If you are not into curse words, then please do not watch the rest of this, because I don't know what is... I know that there are some curse words and there are some that, you know, just might not be to your liking. It's not bad, but you know. First I have these address labels. So they have my address on the bottom. So it has Tammy Thompson. I guess I could show you that part. And then it has my address. And super cute Wonder Woman. I thought that would be awesome. So I have 16 of those, or like 2 sheets. There's 16 total stickers. And I'll try to show the curse words at the end. So let me go ahead and sort these out so when I come to them. So this one is just a sweet little like friends one, and I have 2 really good friends, Janie and Tracy, and this reminded me of them. And then the dark-haired one would be me, and I thought that was really cute. So that is for them. And then I got Wonder Woman in this just because it's fierce. And I got 2 of these because I thought this was really fun. And I love just the working woman who is fierce and able to do things. So there's one for me, and then there is one for Lisa. And I'm going to be giving these to her tomorrow before this comes up on, so she will have already received these things. So there's that. One of these is for Katie, and one of them is for me. It's the cute mermaid. Like I said, she really likes mermaids. So I'm going to put this clip on this so that I can give her this. Now she might not see it beforehand, but that's okay. And then I also got her this sheet, and I got me this sheet as well. This one is my favorite. We have a thing about moons and mermaids, so that is perfect. And it's pink, so it's perfect. And then look at this. Isn't that awesome? She put my name on it. I just love it. And she put my name on this one too. How cool! I don't even remember asking for that, but I must have. I know she does customization. I must have asked for it. And then look at how cute this one is with the best friends. Oh my goodness. And this one too. I love it. I thought I had some more, but we'll see. I'm not done. Oh, I do have more. Okay, so here's this one. And there are two of these. One of these is for Lisa, and one of them is for me. And this one is just for Katie with the Ariel mermaid. Ariel is her favorite princess. So that one is for Katie. I'm going to put that on here. And I have two of these, one for me and one for Lisa. And now that I'm looking at that, that kind of looks like Audrey Hepburn. And I love me some Audrey. So there's mine. And then I got Lisa and I both one of these. This is coffee. We love coffee and planners. And I could have gotten this for all of my friends. This is pretty much sums all of us up. I should probably do some more of that, but for right now, I got them for Lisa just because I was thinking of her. So then, so here are the bad word ones. And so if you are not into that, you can stop watching. But I thought this was really cute. And it says, I was like, whatever bitches, and the bitches whatevered. I thought that was hilarious. So I got that one. And then this one, it just says adulting sucks, which it does. So there's that. And then I got two of these. One is for Lisa and one is for me. And I will just show you this one and I will read some of the things. It's a beautiful day to leave me alone. Blah, adulting is hard. Good vibes only. Sorry, yesterday was the deadline for all complaints. Doing nothing is my jam. Good vibes only. This one says don't be a prick and it has the cactus on it. I think that's hilarious. If my mouth didn't say it, my face definitely will. My lack of inner peace is stressing me out, and no thank you. So I just thought those were fun, and every now and again we all need one of these in our planner just to remember our bad day or whatever. And I thought that was really cool. So that is that. I'm going to put Lisa's back in this bag so that I can take them to her tomorrow. And I don't know when I'm going to see Katie, but I'm going to send her a package here soon. So I will just include those in her package. But this is my package all ready for Lisa. And here are my goodies. Yay! Actually, I think I'm going to give Lisa this one too because I have that one. I've gotten that freebie when I placed my first order from this company. This is my second order because I really like her stuff. She does some cute work. So there we go. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.